Hello everyone, friends on the Weber channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install XAMPP on Windows 11. To do this, go to any browser. Write here XAMPP and download, yes, download. So go to the site and select your version of the operating system, and in general the operating system. I have Windows 64 bits. That's it. Well, I choose the latest version, 8.12, 8.2.12. I click download and click. Well, it should start downloading by itself. If not, then click here and download it manually. And here. That's it, let's go. That's it. Well, we wait for the file to be downloaded. So, we have a file uploaded. Yes, I open it. So, click OK and click Next. Here we choose everything we need. I choose everything. Click Next, Next. We choose the language, right? I click Next, then, and accordingly, the installation is going on and waiting. Well, click on the Finish button, and we will open the control panel. That's it. Well, accordingly, we can run our modules. That's all. Like, subscribe to the channel. Have a good life to everyone. Good luck to everyone. Goodbye, everyone.